by popular request of our friends Adrian 9G that asked me to make more Italian dish. Today we prepare a classic of Italian dish, the pasta. To prepare one portion or two, I will use 200 grams of flour plus 2 eggs. Remember that you need 1 egg every 100 grams of flour. More or less, this is for one person or two, depending on how many pasta do you eat it. The first time that you try, maybe it's better if you try with few quantity, okay? Because after with this you should smash the dough. Okay, now let's see the intro and after we go ahead with the recipe. Don't worry if the eggs try to run away, because with the flour after you can collect the egg like I had done. Now we work our dough very well, should become very smooth without piece of flour. After we put in a dish, we cover and we wait 30 minutes, because if we give the time to the dough to relax, after will be easy to smash it. After at least 30 minutes, but in my case is already 1 hour, because I went to buy the other ingredient for the dress of the pasta. Now we should cut the dough in 3 pieces and smash with a stick. We should smash until will be only thick 2 millimeters. So it's a hard job, but we should do like this. If you have the machine, the pasta machine will be very easy, but let's do it. So now let's cut the dough and smash it. Now I wait 1 or 2 minutes and after I roll the dough and I will cut with a sharp knife. You should cut thick ½ centimeter. Okay, our tagliatelle are ready. Now we should wait 30 minutes, 1 hour that they dry a little bit, and after we can cook them. But during this time you can prepare a dress for this tagliatelle. I will show you in the next video, because this tagliatelle you can dress how do you like it. In the next video you will find the link at the end of this one, maybe here. I will show you how to make a very fast ragu. It's not a normal ragu, because for that you need 1 hour, but with this, with 10 minutes, will be ready, but I'll show you in the next video. So now I go ahead smashing this dough and cutting all the other tagliatelle. See you at the end for the cooking and the testing. Our tagliatelle are ready. Our fast or easy ragu too. So now we put the water in the pot with half teaspoon of salt, and we put on the fire. When the water is boiling, we can throw down inside the pasta. After, we put the pasta directly on the ragu and we test it. I'll show you. So come. After 5 minutes they will start floating, like you can see now. So after 5 minutes they are cooked. Now we can remove from the water and put directly in the tomatoes ragu. Spectacular, especially the easy and fast ragu. So remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. Here, if you are watching the video of the ragu, you will find the tagliatelle homemade. If you are watching the video of the tagliatelle homemade, you will find the easy and fast ragu. Bye bye! If you have some requests, please ask me. I will try to make you happy like today.